दीन पे कुर्बान हो गए करबला वाले, दीन पे कुर्बान हो गए करबला वाले।
Excellence of fast of 10th of Muharram. It has been reported by Sayyidina Abu Qatada radiyallahu ta'ala anhu that the most exalted Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, I expect from Allah Azza wa Jal that fast on Ashura removes the sins of the previous year. You can be benefited by reading this Madani pearl on page 40 in Marvels of Sayyidina Imam Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The renowned book of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnah, printed by Maktabatul Madina, the publishing department of Dawat Islami. You can also download this book in English and various languages from the website of Dawat Islami, www.dawatislami.net. Place your order today at your nearest branch of Maktabatul Madina. Furthermore, distribute the booklets published by Maktabatul Madina on weddings or morning occasions, ijtama'at, urs rites, milad sharif, etc., and gain a lot of sawab.
Karbala ke jaan